Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your door in Adopt Me. First, you'll want to enter your house. Once inside, look for the Edit House icon, usually located on the right side of your screen. Click this icon to enter build mode. This is your starting point for making any modifications to your home, including swapping out your current door for a brand new one. It's a simple first step to personalizing your space. Now that you're in build mode, navigate to the Furniture tab. Within this section, you'll find various categories for decorating your home. Look specifically for the Doors category. Clicking on it will reveal a wide array of door styles and designs, from classic wooden doors to more modern or whimsical options. Take your time to browse through the selections and find the perfect door to match your house's aesthetic. Once you've found a door you love, simply click on it. Your chosen door will then appear on your cursor. Drag this new door over to the existing door frame in your house. You'll see an outline indicating where it will be placed. Release the mouse button to confirm the placement, and your old door will be automatically replaced. It's a straightforward drag-and-drop process, making customization incredibly easy and intuitive. After placing your new door, you might want to customize it further. Use the available tools to change its color or material if those options are present for your chosen door. Make sure the door is perfectly aligned within the frame for a seamless look. Once you're happy with your new door and any other changes, simply exit build mode. All your modifications will be saved automatically, allowing you to enjoy your newly updated home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.